Alright, everyone. So we will start our video today. So we are from a sixth group with the material pragmatics and philosophy. Before we start our presentation, we would like to open it with Panganjali Umat, Om Swastiastu. So first, I would like to introduce our group members. So my name is Nimade Ciptarini.
My name is Ananda Dini Parmita.
My name is Wayan Budiani.
So here we are, three subtopic of our material today. So the first one is the introduction of pragmatic and philosophy. The second one is the definition of pragmatic and philosophy. And the third one is the relationship between pragmatic and philosophy. So the first material, it is about the definition, the introduction of pragmatic and philosophy. So one of the central questions of philosophy is how we interpret our world and our lives as being meaningful, or more generally, how we generate meaningful in the general sense of significance. One of the most important tools we use to do this is language. And one of the most fascinating fields in linguistics to study how speakers use their language to generate specific meaning in specific contexts. At the end of 1920 and the beginning of 1930, a group of philosophers and mathematicians in Vienna and Berlin, among them Moritz Schlick, Rudolf Carnap, Kurt Gödel, Otto Neurath, Karl Hempel, and Hans Reinhebach. So they claim that a sentence is meaningless unless its truth condition can be tested. That is to say, unless formological analysis to the sentence can answer the questions under what condition it is true or false. And then the definition of pragmatic and philosophy. So we can separate it into two. The first one is the pragmatics. So pragmatic is a branch of linguistics that focuses on how context influences the meaning and interpretations of language. It deals with the study of language in use, rather than the abstract structure of language itself. Simply, pragmatics is how we understand and convey meaning beyond literal words we use. And the second one is the definition of philosophy. So philosophy is a broad field on inquiry that addresses fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, ethics, and the nature of reality. And the next material, it is about the relationship between pragmatics and philosophy will be continued by my friends.
So, right, thank you for the time. The next matter about the relationship between pragmatics and philosophy. The relationship between pragmatic and philosophy can be explained by this subject. The first, philosophy of language. There are epistemology, and then semantics, and then ethics and value theory, and then philosophical pragmatics and hermeneutics. So next slide, please. So the first, philosophy of language. Pragmatics plays a significant role in the philosophy of language, which explains the nature of language, meaning, and communicate. For example, the present king of France in bold. This sentence raises several philosophical questions. First, extensions and reference. Second, definite description, and third condition, and the last, pragmatics. Next slide, please. And next, about epistemology. Pragmatics can also be relevant to epistemology, the branch of philosophy concerned with knowledge and belief. Philosophers may explore questions about how language use affects our understanding of knowledge, belief, and truth. For example, it's called in here. To analyze this statement from the perspective of epistemology of pragmatics and philosophy, we can explore the following aspect. Therefore, the first conceptual defendage, and second implicator, and third social implicator, and the last contextual justification. Next slide, please. And then semiotics. Pragmatics interested with semiotics, which is the study of signs and symbols. Philosophers interested in semiotics might examine how language functions as a system of signs and how meaning of constructed through version linguistic and non-linguistic symbols. For example, a red traffic light. It can be analyzed by semiotic, pragmatic, and philosophy. So the next material will be continued by my friend.
All right, thank you for the time. I can continue explain the material. Ethics and value theory. Pragmatic can have implication for ethical and value theory. Within philosophy, language use and communication are crucial in moral discourse and the expression of values. Philosophers might investigate how pragmatic elements like presupposition, implicator, and rhetorical defense influence moral reasoning and argument ethical. For the example, telling the truth. In a pragmatic context, the act of telling the truth can be analyzed from an ethical perspective, ethical principles, pragmatic application, and philosophy. Next slide, please. Philosophical pragmatics. A philosophical pragmatic example can be drawn from the work of the philosopher Carl Sanders Peirce, who is one of the founders of pragmatics, a philosophical school of thought that focuses on the practical consequences of beliefs and the meaning of concepts. Peirce developed the notion of pragmatic maxim to illustrate the philosophical idea that the meaning of a concept is closely tied to its practical implication. Pragmatic maxim. Consider what effect that might conceivably have practical bearings. We concept the object of our conception to have. Then our conception of this effect is the whole of our conception of the object. For the example, belief in God. These practical consequences could include number one, moral guidelines, number two, community, and number three, comfort, and the last, worksheet and ritual. Next slide, please. Hermeneutics. Hermeneutics is a branch of philosophy and methodology that focus on the interpretation of the text, especially as the relates to understanding the different meanings and intention behind them. It has a significant connection to pragmatics, as interpretation often involves understanding the context, intent, and communicative aspect of text. For the example, interpretation of literary text, novel, Crime and Punishment by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Hermeneutics and pragmatics play roles in understanding and analyze this text. Number one, hermeneutics, pragmatic, and philosophy. That's all for me. Time back in time is your Cipta.
All right, thank you for the time. So that's all about our material today. So we will close our presentation with Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you for your attention and bye-bye.